Spot the difference. Can you spot the difference in picture 1 and picture 2? 1. The weather is cloudy in picture 1. 2. The weather is sunny in picture 2. There are 4 monkeys in picture 1. But there is 1 monkey in picture 2. John's hair is brown in picture 1. John's hair is blonde in picture 2. There's a blanket is red in picture 1, but the blanket is blue in picture 2. The tent is blue in picture 1, but the tent is red in picture 2. John is sitting and fishing in picture 1. John is standing and holding a fish. Cliff's hoodie is green in picture 1, but Cliff's hoodie is yellow in picture 2. The picnic basket is closed in picture 1, but the picnic basket is open in picture 2 and inside are fruit. Questions on the pictures. How is the weather in picture 1? It is cloudy. How many monkeys are there in picture 1? There are 4 monkeys. What is Cliff doing in picture 1? Cliff is making the campfire. What color is John's hoodie? John's hoodie is blue. What is in the basket? There are fruit in the basket. Who catches the fish? John catches the fish. Where do the boys sleep? They sleep in the tent. Who make the campfire? Cliff makes the campfire. Reading comprehension answers. Why did John and Cliff decide to set up their tent before fishing? They set up their tent first so they could have a safe and comfortable campsite before they went fishing. What did the boys enjoy doing around the campfire? They enjoy cooking the fish, roasting marshmallows, telling funny stories, and watch the stars. Why did the monkeys come to the campsite? The monkeys came because they smelled the delicious fruit that the boys had accidentally left outside. How did John and Cliff know that monkeys had eaten the fruit? They found an empty fruit basket, monkey footprints, banana peels, and grape stems around the campsite. What lesson did the boys learn from their camping adventures? They learned to keep their food safely stored and to always protect nature by cleaning up their campsite. Why is it important to clean up a campsite before leaving? It is important because it keeps the forest clean, protects wildlife, and always allows other people to enjoy nature. What will you do differently if you went camping in a forest? I would keep all my food inside the tent or hang it high in a tree so that wild animals could not eat it. Which part of the story did you find the funniest? Why? I thought the funny part was when the monkeys had a midnight fruit feast because I could imagine them happily eating bananas and chasing the rolling oranges. Discussions, answers, questions and answers. Have you ever been camping? What did you enjoy the most? Yes, I have. I enjoy sitting around a campfire, cooking food, and sleeping in a tent under the stars. No, I haven't. I would like to go camping because I want to fish and sleep in a tent. Why should people never leave rubbish in a forest? People should never leave rubbish in a forest because it pollutes nature, can harm wild animals, and make the forest dirty. How can we protect the wild animals when we visit nature? We can protect the wild animals by keeping the forest clean, taking our rubbish home, not feeding the animals, staying on the trail, and respect their habitats. If you were John or Cliff, how would you stop the monkeys from eating your food next time? I would keep the food inside a closed container and store it safely inside the tent or hang it high in a trees where the monkeys could not easily reach it. Speaking challenge. Answer in complete sentences. Would you like to go camping with John and Cliff? Why or why not? Yes, I would. I think camping, fishing, and watching the stars would be exciting and fun. What would you pack for a camp trip? I would pack a tent, a sleeping bag, warm clothes, a flashlight, food, water, and a first aid kit. What was your favorite part of the story? My favorite part was when the monkeys had fruit feast because it was funny and surprising. Thank you everyone for listening to my channel and hope you learn how to read. Bye bye.